Introduction to the 2022 HUAWEI MateBook D16. Are you ready to dive into the world of portable power with the 2022 HUAWEI MateBook D16? Designed for both professionals and students, this 16-inch laptop combines performance, style, and practical features in one powerful device. Equipped with Intel's latest 12th Gen processors, you can choose from the i5-12450H, i5-12500H, or the powerful i7-12700H, making it adaptable to everything from light multitasking to intensive tasks like video editing and programming. With up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options of 512 GB or even a full 1 TB, the MateBook D16 ensures you have all the memory and space you need for files, applications, and media. Its 16-inch full-view display delivers vibrant visuals and a large screen real estate for productive multitasking, while the slim bezels and high screen-to-body ratio enhance its immersive experience. Perfect for creative work, streaming, and everyday computing. But it's not all about looks and performance. The MateBook D16 also integrates a full-size numeric keypad, a feature that's rare for laptops in this size range, making it ideal for data entry and finance professionals. Whether you're typing reports or crunching numbers, the keyboard setup is designed to improve your productivity. The laptop's lightweight and slim design make it a breeze to carry, ideal for those who are always on the go. And with Windows 11 pre-installed, you get an intuitive and user-friendly interface right out of the box, along with seamless security and performance enhancements. The MateBook D16 also comes with Huawei's multi-screen collaboration feature, making it easy to connect and share across your Huawei devices for a more efficient workflow. So if you're looking for a device that can handle everything from office tasks to entertainment with ease, the HUAWEI MateBook D16 is ready to deliver.